makers, my name is Noella Love and you're welcome to my channel. Today I'm just going to take you guys through my skincare journey, how I got this face from being this and to being a baddie basically. So you know the vibes already. Period. First of all, how did I do this and why did I do this? I used honey mask because I'm in love with organic products. I love natural products because I have so much trust in them, basically because they are not mixed with chemicals. And obviously we know that honey is made from bee, and bee is an insect that is very, very nutritious, but you guys know what I mean. Honey consists of sucrose, fructose and glucose. It is a super saturated solution that is made from bee. Basically it's antibacterial, and it helps to get rid of the blackheads, and it helps to remove dirt from the pores. It helps to heal the cells, it helps to heal the skin cells, it helps to repair your skin cells. So honey is actually very, very good. Like if you are still sleeping on it, I don't know what you are doing. Like literally you need to wake up. Literally you don't even need to spend anything, just get honey. So I mean, my face is not there yet, it's not 100% clear, but then it's just 14 days. I've only used it 14 days. Today is the 14th day and I can see a massive improvement on my face. And then there are other things that you actually need to put into consideration as well while using this honey mask, and that's what I'm going to be talking you through in this video. So keep watching and make sure you watch to the end. So first of all, on my day one of my journey of my skincare facial care routine, I made sure I steam face. Now the essence of steaming your face is to actually bring all the pores and extract it out on your face, so all the inner dirt inside your skin are going to be on the surface, and then you can now wipe them off with any cleaner or any cleanser or anything like that. So that's the essence of steaming. So I'm just going to boil my water into 100 degrees Celsius, and I'm just going to pour it in a bowl and put my face in it, steam it up until I'm satisfied that yeah babe, they are all out. Like you can feel it, you can feel refreshing. And one thing it actually it cools you down. It's like a therapy on its own. Like you are doing nothing, you are just steaming your face, and then it's just so smoothing on its own. To be honest, it's soothing, it's calming, it's relaxing. You will actually love it. And immediately after steaming, I wash my face with my face wash. You can use your black soap. I use black soap because like I said, I'm in love with organic products. I love natural products a lot. So I use black soap to take my shower. I use black soap to wash my face. I use black soap majorly. Like I use it to wash my hair at times as well. So I mean, that's going to be another video on my hair care. On my hair care. My hair is just 1 year old. I mean, that's not the essence of this video, but you know what I mean. I rinse it off with warm water, and then I clean my face after rinsing with a tissue paper. The reason why I use tissue paper is because you know when you use a face towel where you use one, twice, more than 3 times or so, it accumulates germs, and then you don't want to start putting germs upon germs like that. So I use tissue that once I'm done with, I just dispose it, and then I know I'm going to pick a new one. So that's why I use tissue. I don't know if it has a side effect. I haven't researched about that yet, but if it does, then I'm going to work on that. But for now, for this video's sake, I actually use tissue, and I'm actually binging. The next thing is actually putting my honey mask on. So I just massage it in and blend it into my skin and rub it in evenly, spread it all over my face, and it's just so soothing. To be honest, it feels not sticky. It's not tacky, it's not ashy. It's so soothing on your face. You will actually like it. I left it on my face for 15 to 20 minutes. I'm just going to leave it for 15 to 20 minutes, and whilst waiting for the time to be, like whilst waiting for the 30 minutes to be, I'm just going to do random things, and with things that I'm going to do, I'm actually going to talk you guys through as well. So one of the things I did, or I used to do for my 30 minutes, is probably listen to music, something calming that actually can help my mental state as well, or just do something that can distract me so I won't touch my face. Probably just go through my plans for the next day, maybe just prepare for school for the next day, maybe just write out plans for my next video, or maybe start editing, just go into my edit workspace. You just do something for the 30 minutes. In fact, sometimes I exceed my 30 minutes and just leave it on my face because it's the best feeling ever, and I am actually being serious. So yeah, that is actually what I do for my routine, and I did it for 14 days. Although I haven't been that consistent, and this is why I'm actually coming out. In fact, probably this face would have been better if I had been consistent, but it's not easy. Imagine you coming from work or from school or from your busy day, and then you just want to relax and be taken care of, and then you now remember you want to do one skincare routine that you have to wait for 30 minutes after application. Like, it's so exhausting. So at times I don't put it on. Like, it's not frequent, like once or twice I missed 2 days of my 14 days routine. But one thing I made sure that I did was I washed my face regardless. Like, no matter how tired I was, I made sure I rinsed it and washed it. Although I didn't apply my honey mask, which is crucial, but I mean, we blood runs through our veins, so I'm tired. And then genuinely I know I'm tired, that I just don't want to do it. I mean, I can't force it, it's my body. So I rule the way I live my life the way I want it to be. I hope this is filming. Okay, so that is for the routine. So there are other things that you should do that I did that actually brought this kind of massive improvement to my face as well. Let me give you guys a quick backstory. I'm actually filming this. This is what time? I think this is 11 something. I've been trying to film since 9 p.m. but noise. I don't know, but YouTubers are actually trying. I give it to you guys, content creators. You guys are the gem, you are the GO80 for real, because it's frustrating to want to film and then you just want everywhere to be quiet and you're standing in front of the camera to film. I mean, that's not why we're here. So let's get back to this. So the hygiene is so crucial in maintaining this skincare, in this glowing skin to 2021, because we really need to be glowing in 2021. I mean, we're not hyping it. Nobody should hype this year, this new year coming. Please, don't hype this year. Don't hype it. Don't hype 2021, please. I beg in the name of God. Because we did the same thing. Now, overhype implicates, implicate 2020. So nobody should hype 2021. Just leave it and let's enter in peace. So just to have that glowing skin, for normal glowing skin, not for any year, you just have to be hygienic, good hygiene. Things I did is, number one, I make sure my makeup brushes are well cleaned. I wash them with warm water and my soap. I wash them and then I dry it in a cool, dry place. Allow dry in a cool, dry place, you know, those kind of, yeah. So I make sure they are dry, and then my beddings, I wash my beddings. Basically, for me, I mean, it's different for people, for individuals, it depends on you. I change my every week. When I use a set of beddings for this week, I change them for next week, and then this weekend I make sure I wash it. So by next week, I know I'm not going to use. I know I'm not going to use the same one. Basically, I'm sorry for the background noise. I don't know who is disturbing me. I cover myself with the blood of Jesus. So yes, another thing, that you still have to drink water. Hey God, you guys don't even rate drinking water. Like, drinking water is underrated. No cap, is underrated. When people say drink water and mind your business, they actually, like, it's actually a big advice if you don't know the worth of drinking water and your business. So it helps you as well. So when you drink a lot of water, it helps to repair your tissues, your worn out tissues as well. So it helps to repair your tissues, it helps to heal your skin cells and everything. So everything works together. You can't just use only mask and be hydrated. Is it hydrated, unhydrated, or dehydrated? Yeah, and be dehydrated. I drink a lot of water, at least a bottle and a half, a 1.5 liter water. Yeah, that's the word. And another thing is, make sure you eat good food. Like, you can't keep eating rice every day. I mean, I'm shading myself, but yeah, I just needed to figure out that out by myself, that you can't keep eating carbohydrates every day and expect things to work out. So I mean, at the end of the day, it all boils down to what you take in that appears on your body. Like, whatever that is inside will actually reflect on the outside. So if your skin is glowing, it is what you eat, like it is what you take inside. So make sure you eat good food, take fruits. I made smoothie this week, and I've been taking a lot of fruits as well, just to give myself those glowing skin. So yeah, and then just do some little exercise. And then another thing is, self-confidence comes from within. No matter what your face looks like, if you don't have genuine energy to vibe with it, you won't still feel the glow. Yeah, you will not still feel the glow on the skin. So it has to do with your self-confidence as well. So you have to build it, like, no matter what it is. Even your face is full of dark spots, you just have to build it there I mean, I'm that babe, beautiful and wonderfully made. I mean, we're not going to scriptures, but yeah, the scripture says you're beautifully and wonderfully made. So I mean, who is Ackling? Who is Kim Kardashian in front? Do you know me? Do you know who I am? So I mean, you just have to hype yourself one or twice, like just have that self-assurance that at the end of the day you are still that babe. And that is why sometimes when you are tired, just be tired. It's okay to be tired. It's okay to be tired. And the last point I'm going to give is that you just have to rest. There's a point in which you have to rest. You have to take a deep sleep. When you are trying all these products, doing all this and they are not working, my sister, just rest. It's okay to rest. Even Jesus, a big God, on the 7th day he rested, right? So there's a point in life when you just have to rest. And even sleeping also helps to repair the worn out tissues and as well, because when you wake up the next day you feel like a newborn baby. You feel like you can conquer the world. So there's a feeling that comes with sleepy, like deep sleep. At least have 7 to 8 hours of sleep per day. Yeah, I mean, sometimes you don't, work doesn't permit, but you just have to. So everything can work hand in hand. I'm really glad that you guys watched to the end of the video. If you haven't subscribed, I'm really sorry. I don't know, you just need to please subscribe to this channel and like this video if you find it really useful. Comment on anything you feel like you want to share based on your skincare journey. If there's any question you want to ask me, feel free. So yeah, I'll show, just feel free to put anything there. Don't forget to subscribe. Turn on your post notification to get notified each time I post a new video. And with that being said, I'm going to see you guys in my next video.